Hello everyone, here's a video on how to clear cache of WeLive app. Ever noticed WeLive running a bit slower than usual? Or maybe your video chats aren't as smooth as they used to be? Don't worry, your app just needs a little spring cleaning. Clearing the cache can help WeLive run faster, smoother and better than ever. Let's do it. Firstly, open settings on your phone. Scroll down and tap apps or manage apps. Find and select WeLive. SS storage options. Within the app info, select storage. Hit clear cache and boom, you are done. Here's a tip. Don't tap clear data unless you want to reset the app completely. Regularly clearing your app's cache can free up space and resolve unexpected issues. It's a quick housekeeping task that keeps your apps running smoothly. This process ensures you are starting fresh, potentially resolving any lingering issues. Remember, a little digital decluttering goes a long way in enhancing your app experience. Make it a habit to clear caches periodically and enjoy a smoother, more responsive WeLive app. So what are you waiting for? Go clear the cache and chat on. Thank you for watching. Smash that like button, hit subscribe and share it.